In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the music in your Instagram stories longer. Let's get to it. So usually when we're doing Instagram stories, we like to spice things up a little bit, make it a little more entertaining, or for whatever reason. So we like to add stickers, music, things like that. So in this case, we know that Instagram stories are 15-second clips or less. Usually, if we're doing something, we might have 3 clips or something like that, but when you add music, you can only do 15 seconds of that song. So what I did was I went into Instagram, was messing around with the story mode and everything, and I found a little trick on how you can actually extend the song and keep that song going to get it basically to sound like the whole song over multiple clips without starting over or anything like that. Let's get into it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so here we are in the Instagram stories clip. I took a video and it's just me and my face and everything. But what I'm gonna show you here is, we'll speed it up slightly and I'll show you exactly what I did here. As you can see, I did a little under 2 clips. So we know each clip is 15 seconds long, so this is roughly 28 seconds, maybe something like that. Just throwing a number out there. So when you go in to that, you're gonna replay it, you're gonna jump in and you're gonna select your music, find out what music. Here we're gonna use this Imagine Dragons song. Obviously I have the music muted for copyright purposes, but what you do is you can see the lyrics in the music, and what you want to do essentially is match up the lyrics and everything. So what we do here is, you see where the lyrics start right now. I'm fired up and tired, all this. It's gonna go in and we're gonna see, jump to the next clip, and we're gonna know where it ends. You go into music, grab the same song, but this time you're gonna go into where you basically left off. So as you can see where we left off, we're gonna go back, we're gonna slide it slightly right, and it's gonna jump in. So essentially when you jump back in and listen to both your clips, it's gonna start from the song where the lyrics start, and then it's gonna keep going into the next clip and start on that next sentence or that next lyric, that next point of the song. All right, so there you go, pretty cut and dry. Like I said, bust out your phone, get on your Instagram stories. You can use this for pictures or videos. Go pick out a song, line up the lyrics and everything like I showed you. It might take a little while to figure it out, but once you do it more and more, it's easy to figure out to go clip for clip. If you've done this before and you knew this, let me know in the comments below. Let me know how it worked out for you. If this is the first time and this helped you out, let me know as well. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about Instagram or adding music in general, I left this video right here on how to do that. And make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.